Hi guys, today I'm going to be filming a plan with me. So I wanted to film a plan with me featuring this Cruella kit from Glam Planner. I've been wanting to do this plan with me for a long time, but life gets busy. My baby's 7 months old now, and the shop has been super busy, and we are just taking a little bit of time off, but the shop is still open. So let's just jump right into it. So this is the kit that I'm going to be using. This is from Glam Planner, and I think it is such a beautiful kit. Like, it's just so elegant, so stylish. Yeah, I just absolutely love it. And these are the glitter overlays. So that is the art for the kit, and I absolutely love this movie so much. If you guys haven't checked it out on Disney Plus, I highly recommend it. I thought it was just such a good storyline. So yeah, definitely watch this movie. And then these are the matching pens. So this pen is called Cruella, and the gems inside are black and white, which is supposed to represent a Dalmatian. And then you have red hardware and a black barrel. I design all of our pens, so every single pen that you do see from our shop was hand designed. I literally pick out the colors. I pour my heart and soul into all these pens. So I'm really glad that you guys like these pens. So this one again is called Cruella. Next up we have Fairest of Them All. So it is a nod to the evil queen, and it has black floating glitter inside. It's kind of like holographic black glitter, but I love that one too. And then lastly, we have red bottom heels slash the Devil Wears Prada. So there are little red heels and black heels on the inside of the pen that float. Sorry, there's a dog outside. And this also reminded me of the Christian Louboutin shoe. So red bottoms, hence the name. Red bottoms, black heels, and the Devil Wears Prada, just because it reminded me so much of that movie, and I love Meryl Streep, and I love that movie. So these are the 3 new pens. These actually released before Black Friday, but they are super low in stock. And if you guys know our shop, we do not restock any of our pens since they are all limited edition. So I'll also show you the Christmas pens really quick. Okay, so these are the Christmas pens from the Pink Snowflake collection. So you can see the barrel has pink or white snowflakes on a pink barrel. And we have Sleigh Bells Sleigh, kind of like Sleigh Girls Sleigh. So this has silver hardware with silver glitter, and there are little white snowflakes inside. You can see it more when the glitter settles, but there are little white snowflakes inside. Next up, we have Bunny Slopes, which is like a nod to skiing on a bunny hill. And this has white glitter with white snowflakes, or white hollow. And then a white, or it comes with white heart. And then last but not least, we have All I Want for Christmas. You can see the gold snowflakes inside and gold glitter. And then this has gold hardware. And I picked All I Want for Christmas because it was a little bit more glam than the others, and it reminded me of Mariah Carey. And then next up, these aren't really just for Christmas, but I wanted to release this for Christmas time just because it reminded me of this time kind of, but you'll see why. It is perfect for all year round. But this is the Breakfast at Tiffany's collection. This pen here is called Key to My Heart, and there are little golden keys and little golden hearts inside. And this has gold hardware, and all of our pens have our logo for authenticity. This one I love. It has the little pearls inside, and this one's called Breakfast at Tiffany's. So this has silver hardware, again with our logo. And then lastly, we have Darling, which comes with silver foil, and then this has white hardware. So these were the 6 pens also released for Black Friday. Okay, so I am using the TAS Weekly Planner. I have the clear cover on here, also from our shop. There are a bunch of different covers if you guys are interested. I'm getting so many questions about the leopard print covers. You guys, they will be restocking early next year, so do not worry, they will be back. So I'll show you what I have so far. I am actually going to be doing a separate video on a flip through of my 2022 setup, but that's kind of, I'm still like playing around with. I'm waiting for a few more packages to come in and want to see what I'd like where. But that is the front part of my planner. Like I said, I'll be doing an entire flip through on my planner for 2022 in a different video. So let's kind of just clip these here so I can get started on the planner with me. This was my 2021 planner. If you guys are interested, this is the soft lavender orchid planner. And this is the hollow sprinkles cover. And that's what the inside of mine look like. So that was my word for 2021 since I had my first baby, and I absolutely love this so much. It's super, super chunky, and I absolutely love the weeks. I think this is such a perfect planner, memory planner, journal, anything that you can think of. Comes in a multitude of colors there. There is a whole video on these planners if you guys are interested. I will leave that all down below, or you can just click onto my videos and check that out if you guys are interested. I'll actually show you all of my weeks together. So these are my weeks. I used to use an Erin Condren, but now that I think about it, it is like way too big. Not like weight friendly, if you guys want to call it that. It was just too bulky to carry around with me, especially, I mean, not that you're doing a lot of traveling now, as much as before pre-COVID, but you know, if you just want to pop this in your purse or whatever, it's so much easier, so much lighter. I just love planning with this so much, and it just looks so much cuter on my desk. So I love seeing this and like storing these away because I do keep all of my planners. I like the storage system a lot more because, again, the size. The Erin Condren was just like way too big, and I'm not a huge fan of larger like planners like that. But yeah, this was my 2019 planner. This was the inside. I just decorated with washi. You can do that, of course, with this planner as well. So I had that. I had the tabs on here. Again, this is the clear pink star jelly cover, if you guys were wondering. And then we have my 2020 planner. Again, this is what the inside looked like. So yeah, again, I decorated with washi. And then I started to decorate it with more stickers and stuff. So yeah. And then I started using pop-on nails, so I had to use it for 2020 because that's when everything was shut down because of COVID. And then I started to try pop-on nails, but I'm just not a fan. They just literally pop off. So, and then we have my planner for 2021. So 2019, when I got married, 2020, and then 2021, and then we have 2022. So that is what my weeks lineup looks like through the years. So let's get started on the plan with me. Okay, so in this planner, you can decorate however you'd like. You don't have to use stickers and whatnot. I love to use stickers in mine. I just think it just makes it a lot more fun and cute when you like to look back, but you know, whatever floats your boat, whatever you like, you can do. You can plan this way as well. I did do a few plan with me's planning this way. If you like to use full on kits, you can definitely do that. Again, if you check my previous videos, you can see the plan with me's planning this way, but I will be planning this way with this kit if you guys are wondering how I do that. Okay, so I'm skipping over 1 week for Christmas because I just want something a little bit more cheery for my baby's first Christmas. And then I'm going to be using this kit for the week of New Year's because I feel like it is kind of a, you know, black and red and white. I'd love to throw in some gold somewhere, but I wish this came in like gold. I am going to start off with the date covers and I will put the dates on and be right back. Okay, so I got these date covers from TAS Planner. They come in different colors. You can use date covers from any shop that you like. But I wanted some gold, some like big bright gold colors for the dates. Okay, so this is what I came back with. I want to put in the other stickers before I decide if I want any little washi strips in between. I normally like to do that, but I decided to add some Simply Gilded washi on the bottom because I liked how it tied in with the dots on the top and then the gold because I wanted some gold. But this is what I have left. And again, you can definitely use this for another spread, which is why I feel like most of these kits, you can probably get a good 3 spreads out of these full sticker kits in the TAS planner. Okay, so I actually just cut up the full boxes so that they would fit nicely in these boxes. And I will be right back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I had to charge my phone, so I just ended up decorating my whole planner before it gets dark out because babe is sleeping right now. He's taking a nap, so I needed to take advantage of the time so I can get this up, filmed and up. So this is the end results. I ended up using the Simply Gilded washi, like I said. We have some stickers from Once More with Love. Some of these I literally, my mind is just drawing a blank. This is from the Whimsical Cat Studio. So is this. This is from TAS Planner. This is from Paper Shire. So yeah, I hope you guys like this plan with me. I'm so happy with the results. I think it's very festive for New Year's, but also like perfect for the theme for Cruella.